Good afternoon. This is call number 2022-05100 in the interest of Cashton Porter. All parties and witnesses, please raise your right hands to be sworn. You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes.
All right, ma'am, please state your name and your relationship to the child.
Renee Porter, mother.
All right, and representing the Attorney General, State of Texas.
Andrea Perard.
Ms. Berard, we've got a petition to establish parent-child relationship. What are we doing today?
That is correct, Your Honor. Your Honor, our circumstances are a little interesting in this one. Prior to us filing this case judicially, we did schedule this as a CSRP to try and get an agreement. Within that, we did a DNA testing order, which came back as negative as to Mr. Williams. Ms. Porter has reviewed, and the state has reviewed the picture of the DNA of Mr. Williams, the person who tested. It's very dark. It's very hard to see. Ms. Porter is under the impression that Mr. Williams sent someone else to do the testing, that it's not him. It's kind of hard for us to tell. And so at this point, we don't oppose a second DNA test. We just wanted to put that on the record because typically that is something we would present to the court to make the court make a ruling, because I can't determine in the future if Mr. Williams fails to appear for testing where we would proceed from there.
All right, let me, for the record, let me say that Mr. Williams was personally served on April 18th, 2022 at 3:56 p.m. at 932 Willersley Lane in Channelview, Harris County, Texas. He has not appeared or filed an answer. Is that correct?
That's correct, Your Honor.
All right, then the second DNA testing is granted.
Thank you, Your Honor. And just for the record, due to possible fraud, we're not sure. The state has no objection to not requesting. Typically, we would order Ms. Porter to pay those fees, but the state is not going to request that, and we will include that in our court order.
All right, and is this matter reset to a certain date?
October 24th, Your Honor.
All right, then the case is reset to October 24th, 2022.
Thank you, Your Honor. May we be excused?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Ms. Porter, I think, have you got everything answered from Ms. Edu?
I just really do not understand how I've been dealing with this case since January, and I didn't talk to so many people, and every time some people can make out the picture, some people can't, but I guess it's fine.
I mean, ma'am, I've looked at the picture myself. I can't see it. I don't see, I looked at another one of his pictures on another one of his cases. It looks like the same person to me. The signatures match. So if I was to be a guessing person, it looks like the same person to me, but I'm trying to be considerate and give you the best benefit of the doubt and see if we can get it retested so that we can have a better picture. But we had 10 people of our team all look at it today. So
I looked at that same picture and I can clearly see that that's not the person. I even shared my screen with a picture of him.
okay, well, at this point, then we're doing what you're asking and to do a second DNA test. So I don't know what else we can do for you.
That's fine. Thank you.
Thank you.